I used to ramble in every meeting unless I found this one communication framework. A few years ago, during the meeting, I used to ramble, I used to over explain, I used to backtrack after every sentence and kind of over apologize for the things I said. So it kind of trained, or you can say gave authority to the people to start neglecting me and not to take me seriously. But then I found one communication framework and it helped me fix this problem. And I'm going to share that with you today. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kajol, your style and personality transformation coach, and I help you transform inside out by working on your appearance, body language, communication, social and business etiquettes. And trust me, it helps you get into the next mile. So today's video is a bit personal because I have personally faced this problem until I found this framework. So stay tuned with me and I am gonna spill the beans and I hope it helps you. Okay, so let's first understand what does the rambling means. So basically, rambling means when your thoughts are not properly structured. For example, I stepped into the meeting without preparing for anything, and now even before speaking I am not structuring the thoughts in my mind, and that is why I am saying like maybe, possibly, I think, you can consider if you like, sorry if this is not good or appropriate, you can ignore this idea, maybe over apologizing, backtracking with conversation. So all these things are the signs of rambling. Now why does this happen? As I said, your thoughts are not structured, and it's not your fault because you don't know the framework. I bet you are never going to enter the meeting room without preparing using this framework. So if you're new in this channel and you're already enjoying the video, do not forget to hit that subscribe button because it motivates me to bring really valuable content to you guys. And let's get started with the video. And let's understand the most important aspect of today's video, that is the communication framework. So before I reveal the framework, let me share a small story that will probably resonate with you. So a few years ago, I was having a meeting with one of the Fortune 500 clients, and me and my colleague was sitting attending the meeting along with my seniors, and I had the same idea and my colleague, he also had the same idea, but probably I was not able to explain it in a more structured and with conviction, so that they believe and implement that idea. So I just kept rambling, and then suddenly I shut down, like, okay, ignore. So I stopped talking. I was like, okay, let's leave this because I was not able to explain this. Correct. But the same idea was then explained by my colleague, and he explained in the very accurate point-to-point manner and in a very structured way, without over apologizing, without backtracking, without saying I think, possible. And that was the moment when I felt like, okay, he has something, and I really need to learn that thing. That's when I started doing research and reading a lot of books, and that's when I came across this concept, which is called PREP, the PREP framework of communication. And today I am going to share that framework with you so that you never go through this embarrassment, the kind of embarrassment I had been through that moment, being a 20-year-old girl. So let's get started. So the framework is PREP, that is PREP, right? So P stands for point. First, start with a plain statement. Do not give any reason or anything. Just say one simple statement. For example, this quarter, the sales dropped by 20%. This was my statement. Okay, this is my P aspect. Now R stands for the reasoning. Why the sales dropped by 20%? Because the competitor brand launched a new product at a very competitive price. Okay, so the reason is that the competitor has launched a new product. This is my reasoning. Okay, now I will give an example. Okay, so because example is important to substantiate the reasoning. So the example would be in the last quarter, the competitors' shares jumped from 20% to 30% after the launch of a new product. This is the example, right? It's there in the market, they can check. And I will end my sentence again with the same statement, P. And that's the reason why our sales has gone down by 20%. Now, I will deliver the same information with and without following this prep framework. I think our sales has decreased by 20%. The reason is because I was checking social media, and I also read on the Money Control app, and competitors' share has increased from 20% to 30% because I guess they have launched a new product. Sorry, I might not be correct. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And yeah, that could be one of the reasons that our sales has decreased by 20%. Now you see, I'm actually not clear. मुझे क्या बोलना है सच में मुझे नहीं पता. मैं बस मेरे thoughts बहुत jumbled हैं, right? And it's not in a sequence. So सामने वाले को समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है what I actually want to say. Correct? Now I will deliver the same information after following this prep framework. Our sales has decreased by 20% in the last quarter because the competitor has launched a new product at a very competitive price, and because of that, competitors' market share has increased from 20% to 30%, and that is why I believe our sales has decreased by 20% in the last quarter. So did you notice that? How much difference it makes when you deliver your thoughts and ideas in a structured fashion. People love to listen to you. They consider your ideas actionable and implementation is possible. They don't think like she is randomly saying anything. They take you seriously. That is the most important aspect of following this prep framework, that you are being considered. You are not feeling neglected in the meeting room. Always remember, meeting room is not a place for thinking out loud. Structure your thoughts before you enter the meeting room and let the expert within you shine. To be honest, when you speak like an expert, it makes it almost impossible for anyone to unhear you. So let's summarize today's video. Number 1, do not ramble in the meeting room. Always structure your thoughts before entering the meeting room. Follow the prep framework for communicating effectively. And number 4, stay tuned, subscribe for more updates, and stay connected because I am here to transform your personality and confidence. Bye-bye. Take care. We will meet in the next video.